welcome to my channel, and today I intend not to be solving mathematical problems but to share some tips that will help students or any person, a professional, to mount up in his own pursuit. There is a general mindset that science courses is for smart guys. Science courses are for those people who can be able to answer questions in a class. Science courses are for those people with a high IQ, they become medical doctors, blah 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 blah. But I want to tell you that it's a lie. It's completely lie. Why I say it's a lie is because my life is a testimony coming from a poor background in terms of academics, in terms of geolocation, in terms of whatsoever you can think of. But today is a story. That's not the story I want to bore you with, but I want to help someone to develop a mindset of a champion, a mindset that when you intend to do things, you can be able to do it and also achieve it by putting all your effort. So how do you thrive in scientific environment or any environment of pursuit? Number one, first is your mind. You change your mindset. You believe that you can do it. There is this saying that we are taught in those days that there is a mind in us that can be able to do anything. Remember, there were some people in the days of God that decided to build a tower called a Tower of Babel. That a time came that God himself told that these people will be able to achieve what they've started, and as a result, it means that when a man decides to do something from his mind, he can achieve it. The success that you want to succeed, the prosperity you want to enjoy, the achievement you want to achieve, whether a student, whether a career, a husband, whether a business person, it starts from your mind. When you change your mindset, when your mind is transformed, then you can conform to that which you want to become. I tell you the truth. Then, not this number one is your mind. And secondly, one of the things that make people not to become champion is not being consistent. If you are consistent on what you are doing, a little drop, it will generate a tremendous volume. So it is by putting one cup in a bucket every time, gradually, that makes it to fill up. So consistency is a master. Okay, let me put it as a mathematician. What you become is directly proportional to the effort of your consistency, provided that you never give up. You get that? So that is how we mount up in life. It is not by wishing, it's not by believing another man's testimony or failing. Because sometimes what kills some people's dream is because they believe in other people's testimony or failure. Or some persons, the Methuselah that has not that did not thrive in his own time and he succeeds. So he became lethargic in life. He doesn't want to listen to anybody. She doesn't want to listen to anybody. And they will now believe that things cannot work. But I'm telling you, it's no. If you can be able to put an element of consistency of what you conceive to become in your mind, then it is possible to achieve your dream. Can I add another one? Or I should move it to the next section so that I won't bore you with this short one. Now, the next one of you achieving what you want to become in your life is that you set priorities, you set boundaries. You don't just do everything. No. You don't do everything. You concentrate. There are some things they call bulletproof. I want to give you an instance of cars they call bulletproof, tires they call bulletproof, that bullet cannot enter. But I tell you, if you can have some concentration, maybe a bullet concentrating on a particular spot in such kind of car or tire, definitely there is no way it will not penetrate. Also, when you concentrate, you focus, you have a singular mind on achieving what you want to achieve, there is no way you cannot achieve it. Why? Because success comes by concentration. Concentration on what you need to do at a time and what you are pursuing, and that thing must come to pass. So I said number one is changing your mindset. Number two is for you to what? Is for you to have a singular mind. And then the third one is to be consistent. The last one that I will put, then I will put it to the next section, is that don't believe another man's failure. For the fact that another man or another woman was not able to achieve it does not in any way become a standard. Yes, it can be a literature review for you to learn, to review yourself, but that does not become a conclusion of what you can be able to do. With these tips, I believe it helps you. Now make sure that you like this channel, subscribe to this channel. It is actually a mathematics channel where we change mindset of people. We help people to discover their potential, to discover themselves in order to solve problems, world problems, family problems, and personal problems. See you in the next tutorial, in the next section. Make sure you watch my tutorial. Make sure you like and also comment. Please, if you want a one-on-one coaching, maybe in any science subject, please reach out to me with on the email that is on this the description of this channel. Thank you so much, and see you next time.